No, you don't need my purse. No, you don't need it. Mm-mm. Jules, I said no. I said no. Oh, yeah. What you doing with that chair? You're trying to get that bug up there, huh? Got a long way to go with that chair. It's stuck? What's going on? Do you want a bite? No? Yeah. Stuck. What you want Mommy to do? You want me to move the chair, huh? Why, are you going to get the bug? Are you going to get the bug? Okay, watch. I move the chair. I move the chair and you're still 9 feet away from the bug. Right? Now what? Now what are you going to do to that bug, huh? You're still 9 feet away from it. Bugger. Yeah, bugger.
Me too.
It's a bug. What kind of bug? What kind of bug is it? Say stinky bug. Stinky. Bugger. Now what? Now what do we do?